Hello everybody, and thank you for joining us this morning. We here at Penny Stock Whispers believe we have found a massively undervalued company which is currently trading at bargain prices. Today we're talking about INOH, the Innovations Holdings Incorporated. This company has recently done a share buyback in the amount of 600 million shares of its common stock, has appointed Mel Ehrlich, PhD, as a director and vice president, and has secured DTC eligibility. We believe the company is currently taking steps in raising shareholder value, and that the company also owns Aquaboy air to water dispensaries, which gives family, business, and corporations water right from the atmosphere itself. Water purification could be a strong business, especially within the current nuclear disaster in Fukushima, Japan. We also have noticed that the homepage for INOH has been totally redone, and this sends us a strong signal that the company is not only active, but also pursuing new innovations. Here's the key point that potential shareholders should really pay attention to. INOH currently is in the works of reducing electricity consumption and carbon emissions in municipal lighting systems worldwide, which could bring in massive revenue for the company. With all these facts and with a float of only 75 million, we believe this company could be trading well in the multi-penny range anytime now. So right now on your screen, you've been taking a look at the INOH stock chart. You can see that our previous trading day was Monday, June 9th. We saw a previous close of 0.0021, and we closed up last at 0.0023. That gave us a plus 9.52% difference on a volume of 5,928,708 shares. It was a really nice day for INOH on Monday, and it's just looking fantastic from here on out. All of our indicators are looking very bullish. We've had some strong volume, and like I said before, fundamentally the company is doing fantastically. So let's take a look at some of these indicators I've got up right now. First up is the 14-day RSI. It's at 45.22. This is a really nice place to be, especially since we're moving up so strongly as we are. Crossing over that 50, this is going to be a big moment for the stock. It's going to put us right into the middle of that buy zone that we want so badly. It's just going to be a really fantastic thing there, and I really like this uptrend that we've been seeing right here. We gained some solid support for a long time here, and we're really finally ready to move off of that. It looks like we're starting to break out. Down here on the daily charts, everything's looking good as well. We found our bottom right here. Let me put up a support line for us where we were currently sitting. Right around here, we have been sitting at points at 0016, but we moved up past that, finally closing above also our 12-day EMA. That's going to be a fantastic thing. That's actually really big for a stock. That EMA was acting as our resistance for a long time, but now that the 12-day is underneath our candlesticks, our closing price, is going to switch over to being our support. I'd like to see that continue to move up there pretty quickly. And also, as you can see here, you can see we got a lot of our crossovers, a lot of our indicators and moving averages, I should say, all bunched up right here. So that's got me pretty excited that lots of crossovers can happen pretty fast in conditions like that. Down here on our MACD, you can see that we are pinched up pretty close with our signal line. We are still above it at negative 0005. The signal line's at negative 0007, and we're moving up steadily towards that center line. I'd like to see it cross over that any time now. Down here on our tricks lines, I like to see that we have crossed over our tricks line. This happened in May, around the 14th of May, maybe the 15th of May. We crossed over that, and we're moving up from there. But long term is where it's really starting to get exciting. The 30-day tricks here is prepared to cross over as well, and this is happening just as we're starting to come out of this support right here. So that's letting me know that this is really going to start moving up forwards pretty quickly. Down here on the slow stochastics, everything's looking nice as well. Crossed over our signal line and the 20-day line, or the 20 line there, looking very strong, still moving up, nice and bullish. It's at 44.44 and moving to cross over that 50 anytime now. The CCI 20-day is at negative 25.32, also on the climb. Like to see it cross over that center line as well. Stochastic RSI looking good, very volatile indicator here. So I've got a 14-day moving average, which is acting as a way of just kind of balancing all this out for us. We found our bottom here, which is higher low than previously. So that's the definition of our uptrend. This is gaining strength. We're also prepared to cross over that 0.5 on this one as well. This is at 0.35 and moving up, looking very strong. Now I'm very excited about this check and money flow right here, and it is still underneath the zero, but it's showing incredible growth, incredible strength forming up along these higher lows here. Really starting to move up. Like to see a crossover any day now. It's looking pretty good. Furthermore, we got a big thing right here. Our ADX line just crossed over the positive DI, crossed over the negative DI, and that's letting us know that we are officially in an uptrend. And now our ADX line is at 8.32, so it's not entirely relevant just yet, but I'd like to see this start to gain some strength and move upwards as we see this stock continue to roll. Down here on the PVO, looking good, just crossed over the signal line as well. Everything's really looking very bullish on this chart, like I was saying earlier. Looking to cross over that zero line pretty soon. Here we are at negative 4.682 on that PVO. Money flow index looking good, 25.07, just crossed over the 20 and still showing strength moving up. And lastly but not least, we have our accumulation distribution chart looking really good here. We found our bottom on this as well. We got rid of all those weak sellers, and right there correlated with all of our charts, our tricks lines, our candlesticks, everything correlated perfectly. We found our bottom at the same time that we lost all these weak investors. And as we move up, we're starting to gain those investors back. They're starting to accumulate. We're getting our good investors now, accumulating shares and really helping to build that strong support that we need for INOH. That's going to help push it forward into the next coming days, weeks, months ahead. So thank you guys very much for checking out INOH. Got a lot more information for this one on this one for you. Recommend you come over to our website, PennyStockWhispers.com, punch in your email address. Got a lot more information. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Love to take a look at them, answer any questions you have, and you know, just help you out in any way that we can. If you're on the go, you can come on over to Google Play on your Android phones and download our Penny Stock Whispers app. Everything you need is right there in your fingertips. You can watch our stock chart videos. You can follow us on Twitter. All of this stuff is directly on your phone there. So thank you guys very much for watching again. Best of luck in INOH, and thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.